In this video, I'll show you how to remove a website from your GoDaddy domain. First, go to GoDaddy and click on your name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Products. Here, you'll see a list of your domains. Scroll down until you reach the Manage WordPress section. Next to it, click on Manage All. You'll now see the websites connected to your GoDaddy account. To remove one, click on the three dots next to the website you want to remove. Then, select Remove. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to type Remove. Just go ahead and type it in. Then, click Remove to confirm. Your WordPress site is now disconnected from your GoDaddy domain. If you want to remove a different kind of site, like one made with GoDaddy's website plus marketing, you'll need to unpublish it instead, since GoDaddy doesn't offer a direct removal option for this. So head back to your domain section and scroll to Websites plus Marketing. Click Manage next to the website that you want to remove. Once inside the editor, click Edit Site. Then, go to Site Settings in the upper right corner. Now, click on Unpublish. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click Yes to proceed. And that's it. You've now successfully removed or unpublished your website from GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.